What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Daquan Brown. I'm back with another banger today. Y'all already see the title, man. People who can't cook. Like, I want to see the people who can't fucking cook. You feel me? And I'm doing a reaction. I'm not doing a story time. I'm not doing a training video. I want to do a reaction today. You feel me? I want to do something different for the channel. I did reactions in the past. But, you feel me? I want something new for the channel. Y'all feel me? But y'all already know the routine. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're gonna have a good laugh today. We're gonna have a good time, man. We're gonna just enjoy the video, y'all feel me? Share this, and let's get into the video. Alright, let's go for it. Alright, turn it up. Wait, what happened? I'm not going back. Come on, y'all, come on. Dad can't cook.
Tomatoes and peppers and olive oil.
How do you put something on the... Let's watch the video. Let's watch the video. Because how the fuck do you do... Let's just watch the video.
Jesus.
How you did? How you didn't know it was a hole right there? That nigga stupid. I'm sorry. Come on now, bro. He's an asshole. I ain't gonna lie, he's a real asshole for doing that. He's a real... Now look at y'all. Probably got no food to eat for the night because you want to do that dumb shit. I think an asshole. Yeah, I gotta stop cursing on the channel too. Comment down below. Nah, I ain't gonna tell you to comment down below, but I ain't gonna lie. I need to stop cursing on here. For real though. No kid. Oh.
There you go. Alright. Oh.
Why is they cooking it like that? Just cook it in the house. They're cooking it on a grill or something. Yo, I shouldn't be laughing, but like, yo, why y'all... Yo.
They're both crying.
You felt it too much, bro. You felt it too much. Yo, that shit just burnt his face. What? Yo, what? That just... Yo, that shit burnt his face. I'm crying right now. I'm crying. Okay, pizza looking good. How do you drop the pizza? How do you drop the pizza? Look. This is what happens when your family's over or you got a girl over, and this is what happens when you try to show off. This is exactly why is you trying to show off? Why? Trying to show off. Now look at you. Food on the floor because of you. Trying to show off. Like, slow down, bro. Damn. Show off and shit. Hop in the shower. Why? Come on, bro.
I'll help you. Let me get in there. Hurry up.
I tried to hold my laugh at that one.
Using our sorcery machine, it's going to explode.
It's
I forgot I was recording. What is that? That's a snake? Wow. Wow. Yo, it's a lot of show-offs in this video. People just trying to show off for the camera or family members or like, yo, relax, y'all. Trying to flip. Yo, like, come on, relax. Relax. They try to, come on. I could definitely do that, though. If y'all want to see that, comment down below. Ah! Oh, my God. Why, y'all? Why? Oh, God, why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why? Oh my God, why? The fuck?
It's like a Russian doll. Okay, let's, oh my God, is that safe to eat?
No, it's control on. I have no idea. What's inside?
It's
An egg inside an egg. There we go.
Wow. So I hear the kids in the pantry. I'm thinking, what could they be up?
You saying that you just let the kids just walk around the house, do what the fuck they want, and you come back and they, oh my God, oh, let's just watch the video. Let's just watch it. Let's just watch it.
I open the door, and this is what I see. My baby.
See, if I would have did some shit if I would have did that when I was about that age, I would have got my ass whooped. Ass whooped. The fuck?
Girl and my baby boy with the flour and the sugar pots down. They obviously wanted to make something today.
And he still do. The disrespect. The nigga don't even care that his mother is dead. The nigga is still throwing shit around. Still fucking it up. He don't care. Damn. Yo. Oh, man, the video is over, man. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, man. It was a good video, though. Made me laugh, man. It was a couple, like, you feel me? But over, I don't know what I'm saying right now, but if y'all want me to watch more videos like this, just comment down below. I'll definitely do more videos like this, you feel me? If y'all like reactions, comment down below. I don't really do, like, just comment down below if y'all want more reactions. I could definitely do more reactions if y'all want, but I don't know if y'all really mess with the reaction, so y'all gotta comment down below. I need y'all, y'all feel me? I need y'all comments, I need y'all likes, I need everything, man. I gotta let me know, man. I need y'all feedback. Come on, man. I need everything, man, so I could give y'all what y'all want. You feel me? But y'all already know the routine. I need y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on motherfucking post notifications every time I drop a video. You'll be notified. Hey, gang, we out.